So, wow, that's very rusty. Can you imagine all of this go to the motor? All of this. No, this is rubber brake. This piece is rubber brake. But this really does not look good. Okay, I think I moved the screw down there. I'm going to remove this so I can use it later. I'm going to have a look of the radiator. It's good, turns out there's no leakage of the radiator. So let's go and have a look. Okay. Voila. Man, that is dirty. This is radiator. You can see it like this. I think I'm going to. It's okay. There's no leakage. I can still use it. Just need a. That's a lot of sand inside. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, man. So it's not too bad. Oh, here it's broken. It's not me. I hope it's not me. I think it's not me. Anyway, it's no big deal. Okay, let's go and have a look. This radiator.